year from today, you're going to look back at the previous 365 days and you're either going to say, thank God I spent my time doing that, or you're going to say, damn, I wish I spent my time doing that.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Forex Empire, your number one Forex blog. Alright, so I just want to quickly show you what we have been able to achieve with this account. This is a $500 account. It's a real account actually. It's not a prop account. It's not a demo account. It's a real account, and it was a $500 account. It's account management. The owner gave it to me, as in today is actually Sunday, so the owner of this account brought it forward on Friday, and we started trading the account from Friday till date. All right, so $500, and now we are on about $3,000. Let's just assume that this is $3,000, right? Yeah, it's fine. So 500 to $3,000 will be how many percent? Is that not about 1, 2, 3? That should be about 300% a profit made on this account, right? Yeah. Okay. I mean, what we are actually doing is I don't know if you guys have found out that Jump series is they're actually one of my best series these days. Like, number one, I like their kind of volatility, and I know exactly when to enter, right? Okay, just look at this for example. I know someone will be wondering, okay, what made me take this trade? The first thing I considered to take this trade was not even price action. It was just simply candlestick pattern, right? Candlestick pattern. So let me show you on an higher time frame. Let's use 4 hours. I'll check it out right here. All right. Now I entered somewhere around there. At that point, this has already begun to drop, right? So I entered somewhere around there. All right. So when I did, I actually had to wait for lots and lots of confirmation before going in for this trade. Why? Because according to what we have here, this is a very long buy. You understand? So I waited for this buy to deactivate, and what's it called? We started selling all the way down. Now, for people that are seeing exactly what I'm seeing, we see trading forex differently. We don't all see the same thing. You understand? My own candlestick pattern knowledge, my own setup, is actually different from your own setup and all of that, right? So, but according to what I am seeing here, right, the best possibility, you understand, I think the best possibility is the fact that this trade, right, this jump 50 is going to get to this point, right, or even go below it. You understand? I took this trade. I took 2 trades, yeah, but one has already closed, while I left one to run all the way down. Yeah, so I can actually teach you how to do that, right? There's a way you trade, and you take 2 trades, you allow one close quickly after taking profit from it, while you leave the other ones ride all the way down. It's one of the strategies I use for my prop challenges. Okay, and congratulations, we are trading a 25k prop account. We've already passed the challenge. It's remaining just how much? I think it's remaining just about $1,000 to pass. So immediately we pass, I'm going to do a video for you, and you'll see that will be our next video. You understand? We traded that account without a 1% drawdown. Now ever since I've been trading this account since Friday to now, the highest drawdown I have had on this account was 3% drawdown. 3% drawdown. So guys, I want you to check out something here. Can you see? For those that are seeing exactly what I'm saying, do you notice that this trade can still go all the way down, right? This trade can still go all the way down. You get? Yeah, so it's possible it gets to this point. It's possible it gets even lower than that point. You understand? But the best possibility, like I said, is the fact that it will come. This is not going to be the stopping point. You can see I already set my stop loss here, break even, right? For those that understand what I'm saying. But the biggest possibility is that it will get to this point and even come all the way down. You understand? Now, if this trade decides to go all the way down, then on this $500 account, you understand, then we would have we'll be able to, from this 1,400, I think we'll be riding at about uh let's say about 5,000 to 6,000 on this single trade, right? On this single trade, yeah. You will find out that our balance is currently 1,200. Yeah, I already took some trades and closed in profit, blah blah blah, and all of that. Now I'm going to change my stop loss. This stop loss I have here is not correct. You understand? I'm going to change my stop loss to above this point. For those that understand what I'm doing, and those that see exactly what I'm saying, you understand exactly why I'm doing that. Uh, if if price breaks beyond this point, right? Then there is likelihood that it will go back up. But if it doesn't break beyond that point, then trust me, it is going to sell all the way down. So what do we have now? We are changing our stop loss to 42078. Let me just use 42078, right? 42078. 42078. Yeah. So if you want to be a profitable, successful trader, you don't have to rush to close trades, right? There's some trades that can just look at this, for example, on a 4-hour time frame. Just imagine that this trade, which is very possible, I'm going to show you the outcome. Actually, I'm going to show you the outcome and add it to this video. So I'm going to pause this video for a while. So it's possible it comes all the way down to this point. It's possible it stops here, right? That's another possibility. Then retraces again, you understand, or comes all the way down. Or the best possibility, right? I have my reason for saying this, right? The best possibility is the fact that it's going to get to this point. But the best decision is that, okay, we have actually entered and we have, I mean, made all this profit. This might look small to you. It might look like this guy has not been on this trade for a very long time. But let me show you something. Let me show you from a smaller time frame, so you see how far we have reading on the back of this trade. Can you see it, guys? So all the way on from 5 minutes, all the way from this point down here, right? Okay, check this out, guys. Just check this out. Why did I take my trade, right? It was already falling from here. If you just want to learn how to do this, right, I can show you one or two things, teach you how to go about it and love that. Let's check 1 minute time frame. I hope you can see it now. Like, check out how far it has gone all the way down, right? So that you just know. All right, so but if you are a trader that use 1 minute for your setup, for your, what's it called, I would advise you try to do better than that. Using 1 minute for anything is taking a risk, right? I think the professional time frame should start from 5 minutes, right? In fact, always learn to trade on a big time frame. You know, a big time frame shows you exactly what the market is trying to do. You understand? Big time frame show you exactly what the market is trying to do, right? So we'll just wait. Let me set my take profit to the point I think the price will get to. Let me set my take profit to 370.91. 370.91. Yeah, for those that I'm mentoring, those that I'm teaching how to trade, they already know why I took this trade, right? And I told some of them are actually on these trades too on their real account. I have someone that is on this trade with a lot size of 0.50. So this particular guy is presently on a profit of about $700. I'll ask him to do a video of his account, and I'll try to join it to this. Let's see if we can just join it together, so you will see how powerful this concept actually is. Now check out VIX 10 1S, right? Oh, now this is awesome. All my students know exactly why I entered at this point. The candlestick pattern here is so strong. Like, it is almost 100% that this guy is going to sell at this point, right? You can see where I also set my TP. I'm expecting it to get to this point. Now, chances are that it will get to this point, right? Or even come all the way down as well, right? This is like, I don't know, but for people, like, if you are following me, if you like, with your own normal trading pattern, if you you should understand what I'm saying. You understand? For people that actually know how to trade, they should understand what I'm saying. You understand? So different time frames are giving different setups. Now, if you check out these 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes is giving us a buy signal. You understand? 30 minutes is giving us a buy signal. 5 minutes is giving us a very strong buy signal. You can see that after we got our double bottom here, what happened? The stuff bought all the way up and it's coming down again. But we are not actually trading with small time frame. We are actually trading with what, with big time frame. So we are actually, it is more profitable to follow what the big time frame is saying than to follow what the small time frame is saying. You understand? If you want to be on a trade for a very long amount of days, like weeks, 2 days, 3 days, and all of that, yeah, you need to learn how to get your setup from a big time frame. So this time frame is saying, in fact, what it is actually telling us, let me just tell you, what it's actually telling us is that this market is going to come all the way down to this point. At this point, it might have a little retracement, but it is still coming all the way down. It might be a free fall. I call it free fall when it goes all the way down, right? Okay, guys. So um, I think I also took this trade twice, and I already left one of the trades. All right, so let's wait. Let's wait till both trades close, and I'll show you. I'll show you the result of this trade. Yes, it is easy to trade this account like this because it's a real account. It's not a prop account, so we are not really looking at drawdown, blah blah blah, and all that. So there's a level of what's it called? There's a level of what's it called that we can take, a level of risk that we can take because it's not a prop account. So we are not looking at 5% drawdown, 3% drawdown. However, the highest I've done on this account is 3% drawdown. You understand? But not like I'm not careful. I'm careful trading the account, but I would not have traded a prop account like this. You understand? Yeah, because prop accounts is not just about making profits. There's a drawdown you must also know it, right? Okay, guys. So I will just pause this video, and whatever the outcome is going to be, whether uh, my stop loss was hit and my trade broke even, or whether we took profit at this point, or whether what's it called, it went all the way down. Whatever happened here, also we will just we'll just join all these things together, and I'll show you the outcome. So this same video is going to show you the outcome of these two trades. But remember, this account was on $500 as of Friday, and right now this is where we are. Okay, thank you guys. Wait for the rest of the video. Yeah, guys. Okay, you're welcome again to Forex Empire. Right. Uh, Earlier on, like I showed you this real account where we had $500 equity, and I was able to. As at the time I traded the account the last time, I think it was on about around $3,000, right? So right now we are on 3,559. Yeah, okay. So there were two trades I was on, which I was trying to show you my setup, blah blah blah, and all of that. Yeah, so let me show you. I promised to show you the outcome of the trades. I'm not showing you this because it went successful and all of that. No, I'm showing you because that is how we do it, and that's how it works every time. Week in, week out. All right, so apart from those two profit, I've also made some extra profits today. Yeah, so I've made profits of what's it called? So generally, I've made $2,300 today, about $2,400. Okay, let me quickly show you how the trade went. Let's look at VIX 10 1S. VIX 10 1S, right? Now check it out. Yeah, if you check what I was talking about previously when I was showing you this trade, I set my TP to 8878, right? And when it got to 8878, what happened? It hit my TP and it continued going down. Now, if you remember what I told you when I started this video, I told you that uh the best possibility was that what that it will start selling. Okay, we were lucky to start selling from somewhere around there. If you remember, go back to check the video. We were lucky to start selling, excuse me, from somewhere around there. And I mean, I set my take profit to be somewhere around there, right? But I told you that it will most likely keep on going down. Unfortunately, as at that point in time, I only had these 4 minutes, these 4 hours time frame, right? Check it out, right? It's a very long. It has gone a very long way. You understand? So I told you that the possibility was that it was going to sell all the way down, even beyond this point, right? Unfortunately, I had only one. I was only on one trade, right? So I couldn't risk it to go below. Normally, when I want to take trades like this, I always take two trades. I'll take profit somewhere around there, then I'll leave the other one to continue going to where I feel okay, it's going to reverse. Yeah, so let's quickly look at the second one, which is jump 50, right? I told you something yesterday about jump 50, right? Which I'm going to let me quickly show you here again. Jump 50. So when I started the trade, right? I mean I set a TP. Let me show you. Sorry, I set a stop loss rather. Okay, let me quickly show you what happened. We entered somewhere around there, right? If you remember, we entered somewhere around there. It took us down to this point. Now, at this point, I told you that when it gets to this point, for if you can remember, it's going to retrace a little bit, right? Then it will still go down. I told you that the best possibility was that it was still going to go all the way down before it spikes up again. Now, when it got to this point, right, it's reversed a little bit, then went all the way down. Now, when I set my stop loss was wrong, right? That was my mistake. I was supposed to set my stop loss somewhere around there, but I think I set it somewhere around there. So this particular movement was what took me out of the market, and I was able to end the trade with what a profit of 152, sorry, $1,152, right? This is a real account actually. It's not a demo account. I told you yesterday. And what's it called? So this actually eats my stop loss. That's a break even, right? And this is where we are. So I'm going to sell this pair again, and I'll come back to show you the result of whatever happens. Now, the concept about this, let me quickly sell this. I'm going to sell it twice. Let me use the same lot size again. Okay, see what we are trying to achieve with this. Okay, whatever made me take that trade again. Right. It's a very long story. I did my analysis before I started this video, and it's a whole lot of things entirely. I'm not here to teach what I did. If you want to learn how it goes, just chat me up and I'll show you. I'll show you how it goes. Right. We also lecture people how to take these trades. You understand? This is also going to be a very long sell. You understand? If I let me set one of my stop loss somewhere around there, 41079. 41079. I'll come back to show you. I'll come back to show you my. I'm not setting a stop loss for now. I'm going to set a break even because this is actually going to go towards the direction I've placed it to go. So, okay. So let me tell you our plan. Right. Our plan is to flip this account. It was a $500 account. Right. For you to know that it is the same account I was showing you previously. Go back in time and check the stop loss I set for this, right? And the TP I set for this. You find that it's the same trade, the same lot size, blah blah blah, and all of that. You understand? So our plan is to flip this account from 500 to about 10,000 within 2 weeks, right? So it's not really an account we'll be withdrawing from. It's account management. It's not my account. It's for someone. It's account management, yeah. So we want to flip these accounts to 10K within 2 weeks, right? That's the plan. It does not mean we are going to be trading risky trades and all of that. No, what we want to do is very simple. You understand? We'll just take all we want to do is very simple. We just want to take very long trades, like a trade such as this. You understand? For example, if as I've sold here now, if it gets to this point, I set it. I enter this trade twice, right? Each of them is going to give me about $3,000, right? Yes, I know what I'm talking about. Each of this pair, look at it here, this, right? Each of them is going to give me about $3,000. You understand? If it gets to this point where I set it to get to, yeah. Why? Because it's very obvious, right? From this point to this point, look at it again. From this point normally to this point, yeah. From this point to this point was what gave us this 1,152. You understand? So each of these will give us $3,000. So let us see, is it going to get to our TP or is it not going to get to our TP? Let us see how it goes, and let's see what happens. So what we are going to do is I'll keep you updated again on the event downflow. So guys, please make sure you watch the next video that is coming after this. It's very, very important. We just passed a $25,000 prop account. You understand? We just passed the 25k prop challenge. You understand? So I want you guys to look for reasonable equity, right? For now, let us just focus on trading for you. You understand? We will flip your account. It's not something we'll have to risk. You understand? Let me tell you the strategy we use to ensure that we don't blow people's accounts. It's very simple. You understand? All we need to do is to use a small lot size first to take a very long trade and make so much profit, right? On series of jump and VIX, right? Now, when we have been able to do that, so what do we do next? What we do next is that we now start risking our profit, not your capital. We risk our own profit, right? For example, I am no longer risking the $500 with which we started this trade. It's not the $500 I'm risking anymore. Now we already have 3,500 or 3,600. You understand? So what I'm risking is my profit, right? And even though I'm risking my profit, you can see what I did there. I didn't really increase our lot size. I mean, it's just fine. If what I'm using right now, right, can give me about $5,000, so I don't really need to risk any lot size or use one big lot size and all of that. This lot size I'm using is just very fine. You understand? So I'm going to take a couple more trades, right? And I'll show you proof that it is the same account. There's no difference. You understand? So come for account management, right? If you have a big project you want to do, look for $500, look for $1,000, fund it in your account, give it to us to manage. Don't worry, we won't risk your money. You understand? We will make good profit. Unbelievable profit is what we are going to make with your account. And before you know what happens, you'll be able to do whatever project you want to do, just like that. Yeah, so I'll be waiting to hear from you. Our prop account management is still going on, and normal real account management is also going on. You get the point? So we'll be waiting to hear from you. All right, so we'll meet again. So our next video is I'm going to capture the new $25,000 prop account that we just passed. Right, that's what I'm going to be showing you in the next video. So make sure you watch it. The next video is really, really important. You understand? I'll be showing you one or two things, and I'll be teaching you one or two things from there too. All right, guys. So till we see you again, take good care of yourself. Just to show you, I told you we just passed a 25k account, right? A 25k prop account. Presently, we have $33,660 on this account, right? That's the balance. So what this simply means is that we have made a profit of about, let me see, 25, that's 33, that's 3, 5. We've made a profit of about 8,600 on this account. Naturally, all we need to make on this account is just $6,120, you understand, and we are done. So, but we have made this amount of profits, and that's really awesome. So the owner of the account is happy and all of that. We are just waiting. Now it's not actually up to 10 days yet. So I started trading the account. So we have to wait for 10 days first. After the expiration of 10 days, then we are going to submit this account for a real account. So we'll get a real account and start trading and start getting paid. You understand? Now, one other thing I'm going to say is this. I think you should really work on what's it called, on your prop I think you should try to, if you really want to know how to trade, you need to learn how to trade a prop account. You understand? It's going to help your trade. It's going to help you become a better trader. You understand? Trading prop accounts helps people. It actually helps people to become good traders because you'll be avoiding drawdown, and you'll be learning to take long trades. You understand? I mean, it's awesome when you can take long trades. You understand? So it's a very good one. So right now on these accounts, we won't really be trading much again because we have done what we're supposed to do. So we won't really be trading much. We'll just be taking little trades on the accounts. You understand? We won't really be taking much trades. You know, for example, let me let me first show you. Let me first show you. Let me first show you what I have made on. Like we also passed another 5k account. You understand? So let me quickly show you that, and you will see that I am not really trading on the account anymore. I have left it to just be. You understand? I've let it to be. So let me check crash 500. I'm supposed to take an action on crash 500. Okay. I'm actually on this trade on a new prop account we just got, a 25k prop account we just got. So that's why I'm actually checking it. So just okay, there's no problem. Let me quickly show you the 5k account as well, and from there we move. All right, guys. So this is a 5k account, a 5k prop account, right? Today is day 6. We've been trading this account and we have passed already. This is a 5k account. All we need to make is $1,250 to pass this, and we have made $1,264. So if you check this account now, you find out I'm not really trading heavily on it anymore. All we just do every day is we will take a trade, we open the position, then close it. Open the position, then because we have passed what we are supposed to pass, so we are not really trading on the account anymore. You understand? Tomorrow again, I'll just open a position, close it again, then wait for 10 days, and then we'll get the real account. You understand? So how are we passing all these accounts? How is it working out like that? You get the point? So you can actually learn. There are three ways you can benefit from this. You can actually submit your real account for account management. I want to tell you something. If you're able to get about $500, right? I can assure you that nothing will happen to your funds. You will make good returns every single day. You understand? We won't trade under pressure. We'll just take long trades. We don't have to take too many, just long trades. You understand? Imagine taking a trade from the beginning of this video. You see where we took a single trade, that was giving us about $2,000, blah blah blah, and all of that. I mean, we'll actually focus on those kind of trades. We don't have to use big lot sizes. We can manage lot size, and we get the required results. So guys, I'll be waiting for you to hit my DM, and let's see how to move from there. So we are available for account management. We are available to help you get a prop account. You get it yourself. I'll just show you how to get a prop account. We'll manage it for you. Then we're also available for lecturing. Do you want to learn how to take this kind of trades? Do you want to learn how to take long trades, and also avoid drawdowns so that you can become a perfect and professional trader? So if you are interested in all of this, all you need to do is to hit me up, and I'll show you exactly how to get started. All right, so in the description to this video, you find my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp. Just click on the WhatsApp link. It's going to direct you to chat me up, and from there, everything is settled. All right, so till we meet again, this is Forex Empire. Have a nice day.